Ever wondered what keeps the luxury experience seamless in a 5-star hotel? Behind the scenes, it's a symphony of collaboration. Today, we're unveiling the unsung heroes who make your stay unforgettable. Stay tuned. Unseen Harmony, the powerhouse duo of housekeeping and admin in 5-star hotels. Welcome back to Housekeeping Monitor Channel, the ultimate insider's guide to the hospitality industry. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button to join our community of hotel enthusiasts. Don't forget to like and share this video to support our channel. Let's dive into the world of housekeeping. It's not just about crisp linens and spotless floors. These dedicated professionals are the heartbeat of hotel operations. Equally vital is the admin and general department. They're the strategic planners, the problem solvers, the ones who keep the wheels turning. From managing resources to handling the unexpected, they ensure the hotel runs like a well-oiled machine. But what happens when these two departments join forces? Magic. We're talking efficiency that skyrockets, guest satisfaction that soars, and a reputation that shines. It's a partnership that's crucial, yet often overlooked. Here are 10 key points for each department that highlight their roles and contributions to the collaboration project in a 5-star hotel.
Housekeeping Department. 1. Quality standards. Maintain the highest cleanliness and hygiene standards in guest rooms and public areas. 2. Guest experience. Ensure all guest requests related to room comfort are addressed promptly. 3. Inventory management. Keep track of linen, cleaning supplies, and amenities to avoid shortages. 4. Training. Regularly train staff on the latest cleaning techniques and guest service protocols. 5. Inspection. Conduct daily inspections to ensure rooms meet the hotel's luxury standards. 6. Sustainability. Implement eco-friendly practices in waste management and resource usage. 7. Coordination. Work closely with the front desk to manage room availability and turnover. 8. Lost and found. Operate an efficient lost and found system to handle guests' lost items. 9. Safety. Uphold safety protocols to protect guests and staff from potential hazards. 10. Feedback. Collect and act on guest feedback to continuously improve service quality.
Admin and General Department. 1. Budgeting. Oversee the budget for operational costs and capital expenditures. 2. Staffing. Manage recruitment, scheduling, and payroll for all operational departments. 3. Vendor relations. Negotiate contracts with suppliers and manage vendor partnerships. 4. Maintenance. Coordinate with maintenance teams to ensure all facilities are in perfect condition. 5. Technology. Implement and maintain administrative systems and hotel management software. 6. Legal compliance. Ensure all operations adhere to local laws and hospitality regulations. 7. Communication. Facilitate clear and effective communication between all hotel departments. 8. Crisis management. Develop and execute emergency plans for unforeseen events. 9. Guest relations. Support front office in enhancing guest satisfaction and loyalty. 10. Strategic planning. Collaborate with hotel leadership to develop long-term operational strategies.
These points can serve as a framework for your collaboration project, showcasing how both departments contribute to the overall success and smooth operation of a 5-star hotel. As we wrap up, remember that every seamless experience at a 5-star hotel is made possible by the tireless efforts of housekeeping and admin teams working in harmony. Next time you enjoy a luxurious stay, know that it's their collaboration that's setting the gold standard in hospitality. Want to hear more behind-the-scenes stories? Comment below with what you'd like to see next. And if you found this video insightful, give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Thank you for watching Housekeeping Monitor Channel. Until next time, keep exploring the luxury behind the doors.